Today I'm going to read a statement of the Prairie Fire Organizing Committee called 200 Years of Oppression is Enough. 1976 finds U.S. imperialism in crisis. On July 4th, the Prairie Fire Organizing Committee joins with thousands of other organizations and individuals to raise our voices in denunciation of the lies and glory stories passed off in celebration of U.S. history. With others, we examine our history from the viewpoint of oppressed peoples and the working class. We note the foundations of this country, a revolution rooted in plundered land, a promise of independence based on the most vicious slave system history has known, and a promise of democracy which left out women entirely. We note 200 years of development in an empire based on aggressive expansion and the domination of land and nations worldwide. From the viewpoint of those committed to socialist revolution, we identify the consequences of this history within the United States today. The U.S. ruling class has subjected whole peoples, blacks, Puerto Ricans, Native Americans, and Mexicans, to severe national oppression. It has made the oppression of women a pillar of the imperialist system. It has divided the working class through white supremacist and male supremacist structures, which bribe sectors of the working class with privilege based on skin color, national origins, and sex. These real divisions have held back the development of revolutionary unity against the capitalist class. Militant struggles based on great working class unity have ended repeatedly with white betrayal of black demands. There has been an absence of revolutionary leadership since the Communist Party abandoned the principles of Marxism-Leninism and succumbed to national chauvinism and opportunism and ended up in collaboration with the ruling class. The tides are turning. In recent decades, the victorious struggles for national liberation and socialism in China, Cuba, Vietnam, and Angola have cracked the power of the U.S. empire. The Black Liberation Movement, the Puerto Rican movement, the Native American, and the Mexican struggles have led to the development of class struggle within the United States, have exposed the common enemy, have taught us our true history, have shown us how to fight back. The women's movement has added great new strengths by attacking the structures of women's oppression which uphold imperialism. Working class struggle is advancing. The tasks ahead are difficult. Imperialism in crisis hits third world peoples and women hardest, driving deeper wedges in the class at the same time as conditions for struggle sharpen. Racism within sections of the working class is accelerating, as shown by the strength of white supremacist mobilizations in Boston and around the country. We can expect the imperialist rulers to continue their deadly attempts to pit white against third world, men against women, employed against unemployed, documented against undocumented, straight against gay, to defeat unity. Every working woman and man will have to face and answer the sharpest question of the age. Which side are you on? If our people fight one tribe at a time, all will be killed. They can cut off all our fingers one by one, but if we join together, we will make a powerful fist. Little Turtle, Master General, Miami Indians, 1791. Prairie Fire Organizing Committee, PFOC, emerged from the student anti-Vietnam War and national liberation struggles of the 1960s and 70s. It began in 1975 following the Weather Underground's publication of Prairie Fire, The Politics of Revolutionary Anti-Imperialism in 1974.